I literally don't know why it was so hard. Hello, it is the next day. I had some friends come over last night, so we took a little break. But I spackled the holes yesterday that were in the closet, so I'm gonna paint the closet today after I sand that down. And then we're gonna put a second coat on the entire room just because there's like some splotches and stuff here and there, so it needs a second coat for sure. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, first coat on the closet is done. I started doing a second coat of paint above the door. Yay. I literally don't know why it was so hard to install an air vents, but this was like the hardest thing to do ever. I don't understand. But I brought in all my shelves and stuff to like put in the closet. I just have to wait till my in-laws bring over a drill because I don't have one. So they're just hanging out there for now. But I want to use my computer, so I'm gonna kind of like start moving some of this stuff furniture wise where I want it to go, just so it's not in the middle of the room anymore. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put that white drawer thing in this closet somewhere once I configure the shelves. Don't know where I'm gonna put this yet. I might deconstruct it and just kind of like put it somewhere else. I would like to also put this in the closet, maybe on the bottom. I don't know. We'll have to see how far up I put the shelves and how I can configure them. I only bought 6 shelves to start out with just because I didn't know how much I would need. But yeah, I'm trying so hard not to hit the new walls with my desk. I don't want to chip any paint. I have like a bunch left over, but it's so pretty. Alright, let's move this desk. I'm just trying to scoot it in the corner without breaking anything. My stuff on. So I moved my desk in the corner. I think this opens up the space a little bit more. Yeah, instead of having it like in the middle of the room like I did, I feel like this just kind of opens everything up, especially if I'm going to be putting stuff in the closet. Like, it's going to be so much better now. I'm excited. Okay, here's what we're working with so far. I just kind of put that against that wall for now. I might put it in the closet, we'll see. Because I do want to get like a big like sewing table, which honestly, if I get another one of these shelves and do like the table hack, that might be big enough. We'll see. I could probably like sew on that table. I don't know. Haven't decided yet, but I just kind of put that shelf drawers back in the corner there. Once I figure out the closet situation, we'll be good to go. But I think this is what we're working with for now until I get the shelves up and get everything else put away in here. But I really like this setup a lot more. I feel like there's a lot more space to kind of move around rather than having like these like coming out in the middle of the room. I think it kind of opens the space up more. I want to get a rug for in here, I think. But yeah, this is what we have so far for the craft room. A lot more work to do. I hung my dream catcher up in the corner. I really like that. I want to, I bought these lights. They're like the strip lights that you hang around. And I kind of want to hang these up. I don't know if these will go around the whole room or not though, so I'll have to see. But I really want to hang them up. I think they'll look cute. I just have to figure out how to do that. guys, so it's been a hot second since I worked on my craft room, but we're back. And I bought a couple things, so hopefully I can finish up putting everything away in here. Let me show you. So I bought this 3-tier rolling cart. I want to put like some of my sewing supplies that I like actively use when I'm sewing on there. So I bought that. I have to build it. And then I also went ahead and I bought another shelf. This is just like a cube organizer thing. And I think I'm going to put that like in this corner here. But yeah, then I think I might have enough stuff and we can actually start like putting things away because I still have yet to do that. But yeah, I'm going to build these really quick and then hopefully we can start putting some stuff away. Okay. I have all the pieces out, so let's try to figure out how to build this. It literally just has pictures. Hello?
Hello? Are you home?
Yeah.
We're stopping over because we're driving down the parkway.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It didn't need like any tools except for the little wrench that it came with because you literally just like screwed everything in. But I like this so much and I like that I can like move it around the craft room. It's going to be nice. I'm going to put like my main like necessity sewing supplies in there, I think. And then I can just like wheel it around whenever I need it. This is what I currently have my sewing supplies in. I can't even open it. I taped it shut from when I moved, but yeah, it's a mess. So I'm gonna move it onto this cart. I have some more of these little bins for organizing, so I'm gonna do that. So as you can see, disaster. Let's fix that. Okay, this is what I have so far. I still have to go find some more of my sewing supplies, but I think they're in a box somewhere, so this is what we're going with now. I just have some of my main supplies up on top, and a few like tools and things down there, and then I decided to put like all my fat quarters down there, just because they're small, and now I can see them all, because I could not really see them when they were in that one, so I kind of like that better. I feel like that's a nice little easy to access sewing cart.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
I'm literally so close to almost being done with my craft room. Ooh, I'm very excited for this.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.